Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies without baking soda. We will explore the science behind leavening and discover clever techniques to achieve that perfect texture. You will learn about ingredient substitutions and specific adjustments to ensure your cookies are wonderfully chewy and satisfying, even without traditional leavening agents. Get ready to bake some amazing treats. When baking without baking soda, baking powder is a common alternative, but remember it reacts differently. You can also achieve lift by incorporating air through mechanical means. Thoroughly creaming your butter and sugar together for several minutes, until light and fluffy, traps tiny air pockets. Additionally, whipping egg whites to soft peaks and gently folding them into your dough can create a wonderfully airy and delicate cookie. Adjusting your ingredients is key to success. Consider adding an extra egg yolk for richness and chewiness, or a whole extra egg for more structure. Increasing the proportion of brown sugar to white sugar will also contribute to a softer, chewier cookie. Furthermore, chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes or even overnight helps the flavors meld and prevents excessive spreading during baking, ensuring a thicker cookie. For optimal results, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers still look slightly soft. This ensures a perfectly chewy interior. Once baked, let them cool on the hot baking sheet for 5 to 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. This allows them to set properly and prevents crumbling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.